Hi guys, Peaky Dippers, and what a day today. We're back in Smallheath in Birmingham. So today we've got some special guests. But Johnson's Adventures, they're not the special guests, they're just Johnson's Adventures. But like and subscribe to them anyway. Then we've got Leeds Magneteers have come down from Leeds. So they've had a good 2-hour journey. Fair play to you lads, thank you very much. It's great to meet you at last. And then over there we've got Rusty Nuts himself, Steve Forrest.
Shopping trolley already.
He's got a shopping trolley already. So that sets off the day good. So we're going to get dipping guys, and let's hope we can find some good stuff today for our guests. There we go, a bit of help off Rusty Nuts, Steve Forrest. Managed to get it out. It lived underneath the canal edge, so it's a bit of a nightmare, but thank you Steve. And there's another trolley to the collection there guys, got 3 now. Well, I think Leeds Magneteers and pulled them 2 out.
Got all those trolleys.
Scrapman will be happy.
Sorted?
Yeah, got one sorted. Yeah, you know what that was.
Looks like it's on this side.
Yeah. Come on, I've had no shotgun and no in the past enough. I thought it was one of them little flint guns.
That's the one.
Just a piece of pipe. Oh, there you are guys, piece of pipe. But it did make me jump when I first put it out. Hello, Peaky Dippers here.
Pennies. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, mate, get away from the bar, bloody get out, alright? Alright?
I'll go down that side. 4, but I'll get that one off as usual. Money, money, money. Oh, I'll put it in. Sorry. Put it in yours, Mark.
Making your phone too, Mark.
Pennies in yours.
Putting money in the bucket.
Yeah.
Sing you a song if you want.
Cheers and some cheers, Benny. Cheers to Belfast City. Oh, is that? Oh, there's a little monkey in her.
Yeah.
Charlene, sneaking out the other side of the bridge.
No, it just means
Get back across this side. Hey, get up.
means it gets better.
Social distancing from the boys.
How long have you got your brollo?
Hey, I own this, it's a garrison.
More money, guys. That's 2p. And that penny's still stuck on.
Penny.
Wow, yeah.
We've got some coppers, babes. Okay guys, so we're going to move on. We've found bike lock, indicator off a bike, battery, looks like a part of a bike there as well, push bike. Found a fishing rod rest there, so I'll be keeping that. All the scrap is being piled up there for the scrap man. Steve Forrest Rusty Nuts has kindly donated these knives, which I'm going to take back to my amnesty box, and we'll have them destroyed. So yeah guys, so see you at the next bridge, and hopefully we'll find some more treats. Sorry Scotty Bay. We'll find some nice stuff, so come back to you in a bit guys. Oh, yeah, and Mark's found some knuckle dusters. Get in there son.
Magnetic.
Magnetic are they?
Yeah, it's magnetic. It's ain't the usual ones, brass or magnetic are they? So
No, that's right, yeah. They're them like a black metal, aren't they?
stuck on
So,
solid.
bang on, brother.
Nice.
Bang on.
Oh, lovely.
See you in a minute, guys. Alright, guys, we've come down to the next bridge now. Still in Smallheath. So, We're gonna have a go here. We'll just pull the trolley out. So let's see.
Oh no, got 2 wipers.
2 wipers?
Yeah.
I thought that, yeah, it's a part of cutters, isn't it, Mark?
And that mark with some garden shearers or something like that.
Bikes! Bikes! £5 and a 2p there, guys. If you can see that. Okay, guys. So we just found some little prayer tags. I do keep hearing these, and some of them can be silver and gold plated. So we do keep them, even though they're supposed to be cursed. But we can't get no more bad luck, can we? So there you go. There you go, guys. Another prayer canister thing, China thing. There you go. So that's another one. There seem to be. Yeah. Oh, it's having a wee look.
At least we ain't got Charlene this time.
Yet.
I want to kill him.
There we go, guys. Exhaust.
But you're exhausted after putting that out, didn't you?
Leave the jokes to me, Marie. I don't know, some sweat emissions coming off me and all that. There we go, let's go and put that down in the... Okay, Marie, what you found?
Fidget spinner.
Fidget spinner. Oh, it's a little one as well. It's a baby one. Yeah?
I'll clean it up and get it working.
Yeah, it's like the... Oh, it's Captain America, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Woohoo, good girl.
Right, guys.
I'll give someone the petrol for
Like
you.
this.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Oh, isn't it?
It's off the right away.
Yeah. Any book? I used to travel to Australian Will earlier. I used to go to Whitehill, deliver to a place called Pedmingle. They used to do all the clothes and stuff like that. Yeah. Just got on the... The only one I've got is memory, and this one is the old one, and the number of them, that's what I got.
See you now, chips, guys. And 2 feet.
Oh, sorry, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big camping. Bloody hell. Monster box. Hey, good. Yes.
That's wicked.
It's about. Yeah, nothing. Sorry, short.
Have an every then on. Perfect.
Fishing all right then. Really, I'll wait on the bridge.
There's another one of them.
Look at this dirty.
Yeah.
You got me right?
Remember our wife? I think, guys, I think they're more like different bolts out the railway as far as I can see. See now, guys, again, another one.
We're finished.
Ooh, money, money, money.
Okay, guys, so.
Oh, wow.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Big one, 36 inch,
26?
24, 36.
Yeah.
24, whatever.
Yeah. Nice, I'll clean that up. Proper. That's been in there a while. I'll take that blade down. Nice. It's actually Marie that found it, guys. So, yeah, there you go. Good on you, Marie. I'll tell you what. If I get any more subscribers, Simon Marie's the best. Yeah. She is, isn't it?
Oh, hang on. Thank you.
We've come to this bridge, guys, because we came here about a year ago and Magtech UK pulled a grenade out here. So we're just having a go, see if we can find the other one. Yeah, a bazooka to it. So hopefully, guys, yeah. Good gun. Staple gun.
Yeah. Right. Staple gun, guys. I wonder if you clean it off, it will still work.
The spring's probably gone in here.
key, guys.
Hi there guys, had a lovely day out today at Small Heath. We're right next to the Garrison pub on the canal there. We met up with Leeds Magneteers, Rusty Nut Steve Forrest, Morven Magneteers, Mark Jones, head of Crazy Magnet Family, and the Johnsons. So there's quite a few of us. It was a lovely day. Got a few finds, so I'll just run you through them quickly. So, this week, we found some poker chips. 3 of them. They clean up nice as well, those do. They're just nice to put on might make like a little picture frame out of them or something. So we've got a lot more from last year, like, that I found, so that's those. So a normal little keyring Europe car. Just go in the bin, that will. Got a couple of prayer offerings, Asian ones. I do clean these up and keep these. I've actually got a tub full of these now. Some of these can be gold or silver plated. So yeah, there you go. That's them. Found fidget spinner. Captain America one, I believe. So yeah, there you go. It's all seized up, so it's now good. It'll just go in the scrap in the bin. Found a little ratchet thing. Don't know about that. Trying it, reuse it. We'll have a look, clean it up. Found car key. I don't know actually what car it is. It looks like a key that you have made up if you lose the original key. So don't know what that's to, but I'll probably donate that to Finley Hargood, Crazy Magnet Family, because he collects his keys, so keep that for you, Finn. We found Michael Perkins, head of Morven Magneteers, found one of these, and upon cleaning it up, it's too, this has got a lot of rust around it at the moment guys, but if you look, it's actually a sphere like a ball. Now they're not bearings. We reckon there could actually be musket shots. We're not 100% sure, but we're going to clean that up, and there's a few things I've got to clean up because we've come straight from the cut. So there is a few things I'm going to clean up, and I'll probably put them on a later video. But that's we reckon that might be a musket ball, and Michael Perkins has got one and he cleaned that up. And it's too crude, it's not smooth enough to be a bearing. So that's that. Got this thing, I'm not too sure what that is. I think it might be a spring, looking at it now. But I will clean up a bit more. I mean, it's all rust on it like. I think it's some kind of spring, but I will clean that up. Found a house key. There we go. I don't know whether Marie realised, but we've actually got an old lock knife.
Oh. I put it in there because of the shape of it, but I didn't realise.
Yeah, it's a lock knife. It's an old lock knife. It's ancient. I could tell straight away it's a lock knife. I will try and clean it up. I don't think it's going to be much good because it's really old, as you can see. But we'll have a try. That has probably been there for years and years, like. It's ancient. We'll have a look. We'll have a go. Got the usual 2s and 1s. Quite a bit to be fair today with the change. Look after the pennies and the pounds, look after themselves. Got a couple of railway belts. That one there. Again, like I say, I haven't cleaned nothing up yet. It's just, you know, we've only just got back and we're absolutely shattered. Another railway bolt there, with a round head on the top. And we found these bags, and upon opening them, you probably call them carts in America, shopping carts, but we've got trolleys in England, shopping trolleys, and these are the, it's silly to get them out really, you know what they are guys, them little discs that you put in, say putting your pound coin in, or your dollar coin, whatever it is, wherever you are. Basically you slot them into the trolley, and you take your trolley round the shopping centre with you, or as the Americans call it, the mall, or the Walmart. We also found this. It's a bottle opener. Again, it's just scrap. I'll put it in the bin. Our best find of the day. Marie pulled it up again. Marie pulled up a plastic bag, but when I saw the handle, I knew what it was. And Marie pulled this up. And the rust is. I'll let it, see why I let it all dry out, because all that stuff just comes away then. And eventually what I'll do with that is I'll grind it down and I'll get a nice mirror finish on that and clean the handle up a little bit. But there you go guys. I think it's about a 24-inch machete. So yeah, it's probably got some stories to tell. It depends what condition it's in. I may even put it in the amnesty. I'm not too sure yet. But I'll see what happens with it when I do my trick with it, cleaning trick, and we'll see how it turns up, Marie?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. So that's our best find today. These knives here, guys, have been donated by Steve Forrest, Rusty Nuts, and the reason he's done this is because I've got an amnesty box. Now, Rusty Nuts, we're down in Birmingham, and Rusty Nuts is up in Yorkshire, so he might not be able to make the amnesty box. So he's basically told me to have these and put them in the amnesty box.
He kept finding knives today.
He did, yeah, he had a really good day with knives, Rusty Nuts did. Please watch his video and like and subscribe to him. He's an amazing bloke, amazing friend. But yeah, some knives there, so these will be definitely going into the amnesty box. A knife's a knife, so don't matter how blunt it is, if it can be made into a knife again, it's just best off the street, isn't it? So I think it's got a metal handle, that one, to be fair. Yeah, it has, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that was a good in the amnesty box, guys.
Oh, what about the prezzies?
Oh, my prezzies, bear with me a second, guys.
Okay, pause you there.
I'm back. Right, guys, now my son Callum, 13 years old, eventually when he's older he wants to be a graphic designer. He's always been into it. So he does logos. He's done a lot of logos for the bottle digging and magnificent community, and they're really appreciative of it. So today when we met, I met William Nixon from Leeds Magneteers, Craig Parkinson, I think it's Andy Parkinson as well, but it's Andy as well anyway, and little Riley. They bought us a little gift down, and this is actually the logo Callum designed for them. And they've given us a cup with the logo on as a memento. So there's the cup. That's their logo. You can look out for on YouTube, guys, if you like and subscribe to those guys. They've had some brilliant finds as well today. Amazing finds, to be fair. And they've got some good videos out. So please like and subscribe to Leeds Magneteers, and thank you very much, William, for that. Really appreciate it. That's going on the ledge. That won't be used. William Nixon done some, I think they call it glass scratching, to be fair. It's an art form on its own, and he done us a jar, where he done Mitchell a jar, because Mitchell's got his Peaky diggers, which is bottle digging channel, and he done him that. I don't know if you can make that out with the sunshine. It's basically a jar with our, with Mitchell's logo on. Again, look for that logo. Peaky Diggers in YouTube, like and subscribe, watch his videos. If you're into the bottle digging and treasure hunting, you'll see some bits and bobs. On the back there he has put Glen Collins Peaky Dippers 2020. But yeah, Mitchell's half the moon with that, so it is for Mitchell, to be fair. So, thank you again, William. Really nice of you, appreciate it. And another thank you goes to Steve Forrest for donating this to us, which is a proper grappling hook. We've never really had a good one of a mirror.
No.
We've had grappling hooks and they're only cheap ones, and they float on the canal rather than sink. You want these things to sink and then drag up whatever's down there.
And that's quite heavy, isn't
and
it?
This is the best one I think I've ever had, to be fair. But what I would like to do, Steve, I have texted, to be fair, so by the time you see this video it will be sorted out. Steve gave me this because he had so many of them made to donate to a charity for war veterans. So what I'm going to do, Steve, is I'm going to donate £10 of my money, which I think he was donating them for anyway, and I want to send you £10 over, please, so that you can give it to the charity of your choice. I think it's going to be the war veteran one. Sorry about the neighbours, guys. But yeah, so even though he's given us this as a gift, which I really appreciate, Steve, I would like to pay my way, and I'll send £10 over to you, and I can go to the charity. It all goes to a good cause at the end of the day. The other present I've had, put them in the car. It's silly me getting them and showing you. Is Michael Perkins from More Than Magneteers has gave me a pair of waders today. They come up to about there, don't they?
Yeah.
So I've always been after some. So eventually I want to do videos where we're actually in the rivers and bit of mudlarking, stuff like that. So they've really come in handy, and I was just amazed when he given me. So thank you so much, Michael Perkins. James, I hope you get better soon, brother. And yeah, just look out for all these guys, and like and subscribe to them. So I don't know if it's magnet fishing or bottle digging next week, guys. I don't know. I'll leave you on the hook there for you to guess. But by order of the Peaky Dippers, I've left Small Leaf and we're back home, and I shall see you next week.